I am happy to inaugurate the second Process Engineering Expo 2012 and fourth HITEX International Machine Tool Expo 2012 here at HITEX Exhibition Center. I understand these prestigious events are also organized by HITEX. I am also happy to note that HITEX is working as per its mandate of being a catalyst contributing to the industrial development of our state by organizing exhibitions, conference and trade promotional events and subjects which have strong local relevance. Andhra Pradesh is a state with abundance of natural resources including limestone, coal, iron ore, bauxite, uranium, petroleum, natural gas, etc. These resources are mined and processed for final usable products which are usually done in large industrial units like cement plants, steel plants, petrochemical plants which are already established in the state and many are in the process of being set up here. While the state government is encouraging the industry by offering various incentives via its industrial policy 2010 and 2015, the Process Engineering Expo deals with the issue of processing these natural resources for optimum benefits. It has over 100 participants from all over the country and abroad who have showcased latest technologies, services, products and machinery which help the process plants. I hope the visitors to this show benefit from the technology on display here and will be able to adopt some of it in their units. These fairs will give an opportunity to all the industry people to come under one roof and discuss about the latest technology using in the industry and promoting global trade. The government of Andhra Pradesh under the leadership of Chief Minister Sri N. Kiran Kumar Reddy is aiming to attract investors with state-of-art practices in the mineral-based industry for promoting value addition productions. The government of Andhra Pradesh has identified the mining sector as one of the growth engines for the overall development of industry and infrastructure. I am utilizing this opportunity to thank all the stakeholders of this show, especially Department of Mines and Geology, Government of Andhra Pradesh NMDC, FAPSI and HITEX in putting up an excellent show and hope that this event grows in size and stature in future editions. I am also glad to note that the organizers have concurrently organized HITEX International Machine Tools Expo, which focuses on machinery and machine tools which are used in process plants.